Hello fellow developers, hope you're having a great day. This is Andrew talking and welcome to a new series of videos dedicated to coding challenges. In this episode, we will take a look at how to separate vowels and consonants and briefly talk about coding challenges in general. So without further ado, let's get it started. First, briefly about coding challenges. Coding challenges are a common component of technical interviews for software developer and engineering positions. They are used by employees to assess candidates' problem-solving skills, coding ability, algorithmic thinking, and knowledge of basic data structures. For FANG companies, challenges could be very hard, and later on we will take a look at some of them in separate videos. Now, I would like to focus on challenges that you could face when applying for a job in other than top A companies. Nonetheless, it's not Apple or Google, those could still be tricky and requires some good algorithmic thinking and practice. Let's start from a challenge: separate vowels and consonants. First, the requirements. Write a function that takes a string argument and returns two separate strings that contain vowels and consonants derived from the input string. Function should work with empty input. Function should be case sensitive, and function should ignore numbers and special characters. So now we have the requirements, so let's go to the playground and start from a simple version. We loop through the string and check if our character contains two vowel set or consonant set. If it does not contain to any of those, we just ignore it. Now let's check the version what ChatGPT could generate for us. Okay, so here's the solution from ChatGPT. It looks more optimized, but here's the problem: we're looping through the lowercase string, meaning we're not fulfilling the requirement for case sensitive. But we easily can optimize this code, which we will do in the next step. Alright, so here's the optimized version from ChatGPT. It looks more concise and cleaner, and as you can see, our method works correctly. It ignores special characters and numbers, it works only with letters, and also it works with empty strings. So this is it with the first coding challenge. If you find this video interesting or useful, give it a like, consider subscribing to this channel if you didn't do it yet. And links to the source code is going to be down below in the description to this video. Stay tuned for new videos and I will see you next episode. Goodbye.